Less than 24 hours, my viewers. What Mr. Tony say? Less than 24 hours. The amount of Jamaican drop out, my people. Jano. Hey, right now, my viewers and subscribers, whether you're the yard or abroad, you have to listen for your call at any given time, so one of the family members drop out. From the GLP take over the government again, may I tell you, it's almost like them give the security forces strict instruction. My viewers, journey with me, man. We are going downtown Kingston. We are going to talk about a man only known as JJ, who was conned up, brawling, Princess Street, downtown Kingston. People, we know Princess Street is a busy place now, where them sell all kind of goods and all kind of different things down there. So you just imagine JJ a run, and the man might beat it and find my viewers and my subscribers. If you know what I mean, it's a busy place. A man known as JJ was unalive during an alleged confrontation with the security forces along Princess Street in downtown Kingston a couple minutes ago. You see me? This news report, it says a couple minutes ago, viewers, but a couple hours ago. Reports indicate that a firearm was allegedly recovered. When you hear that, JJ get it. I no cartoon this. I no game this. A serious thing. The police them are going to work right now, my viewers and subscribers. So all the man them call themselves Dan. All the man them call themselves Shatter. Make sure so the police them pull up on the foot. Make sure say you have no iron tool in our hand or play with. As the police them, I gotta take on the 3 points them just like that. This is no joke thing, my viewers and subscribers. Right now, the amount of police me see an unalive man nowadays now. I'm like, what? People, Jamaica change. The system change right about now. It's almost like the government give the police them. The government and the police commissioner give the police them authority for the shoot like a bird season. Each time you go up on the Instagram or TikTok, you hear say police dash with a man ya, other man ya. You get me I say? My viewers, and yo, listen man, and I joked in this. Police them a work. But they have to have them head on them body. You can't see a man on the ends. And you see with a tool, and you know him of a tool, and you got dash him just like that. You got dash him without the investigation. You see me? What kind of police in this? I understand saying, yo, you have some criminal out there, you know, you can't, not threatening up the viewers. You have some criminal out there where you can't take a threat, none at all. Threat, should I say. You have to make sure so you're well shop as a police officer and do the matter proper. But more time in the viewers, innocent youth, I get it, you know. A innocent youth, I get caught up in them thing, yeah. So even though the police are my viewers and subscribers, I know every time them get it correct. You see me? But for you about JJ, you know, say JJ, I go down and knock them though. Yeah, my people. So we're gonna move on now, my viewers, and that one yeah sound serious. That one yeah sound very, very, very serious. Now we are going to Westmoreland, my viewers and subscribers. Jaja, oh gosh, hallelujah. Just beard my people, beard me. This is very, very serious. I'm not joking this. Yeah man, serious thing I go on a Westmoreland, my people. Now, we get for understand, say, we are going to appear on a Westmoreland car retreat. Where we get for understand, say, a man down there say, was beheaded. Yeah man, a Rasta man, my people. I swear. When you hear me say, a Rasta man was beheaded down at Westmoreland. You know, it's a film head over the place, my people. I swear. Yo, my viewers, you have to wonder if you have to wonder to yourself, so why are you going in Jamaica? Why Jamaica be so violent right nowadays, my people? Nowadays, it's almost like say, yo, you have to prepare for hear anything at all right now in the country. Because just imagine that brother in him sleep, you know, in him deep sleep, you know, and the man them approach him. I know what man for that, my people. I have to talk over here, so. You know what man for that. Eh? The man them now play with the brother here. The man them now ramp with him. You see me? A man was reported to be beheaded while asleep at his residence early this morning in retreat, Westmoreland. This is a delivering story, and further update will be provided as more information becomes available. Some people, the police themselves investigate this right about now. You see me? So look like a sitting the way him do. I want this something or some kind of sitting go down. Sitting go down with people. And the man decide say, you know what? I saw we're gonna do them Grammy. Yeah. Them decide say, yo, I saw we're gonna do them a way. He will never forget about that one. Yeah. My viewers, Jano, what a kasa, what a pasa go on pa. Uncle Sam. What go on at Jamaica, yeah? The man them go for him early in the morning when him asleep. Good at kick off at the door. Him good at get up on that what happen. Jaja. Them man ain't a heart, you know, peeps. Them not have no heart. Them a come when them a come for you, them a come for your heart, your soul, and your mind. So the youths them a pick up badness and feel say badness pay. Just know says a berry box you get. Just that enough to know. When I get a berry box. And that me I tell someone say. Because someone a run off on the mouth like on a knockis and a top man and on a done. Someone a punk beat. And then I run in the ship. As Dan make one phone call the way run up and down. You see me? I wanna talk about a top man. Jesus, peace. Rasta man, I don't know what you do. Or your salt so, but the man them take away your 3 pints. Grimy. I swear. Yo, my peeps. And I joked in this. This ain't no joke in this. Jaja. Wow. Jesus, peace. Now I talk about the next man, my people, when name Chris. Who the police them can up down at Craigtown. But he make it. Him lucky say make it, my viewers and subscribers. A man known only as Chris was conned up and injured during an alleged confrontation with the security forces early this afternoon in Craigtown, Kingston. Stay tuned for more update. My people, Jaja. So it's almost like the police them and move from community to community and this decide, say, you know what? We're going to look for some wanted man. We're going to look for some wanted man and put them to sleep. I swear. Chris, you're fortunate. You see me? And guess what, people? Let's not talk too soon now. Because next thing, the police them go to carry Chris and go knock him up. And next thing we know about Chris again, my viewers and subscribers. No. But the funny thing about this, my people, you see how the ghetto has become a zone of no safety. Our innocent man down at the ghetto. And police come and knock it upon him. And people say him innocent. You have some people not gonna believe in them, my viewers. The same police them we do it. Some of the time them in a feed them own mind and say you're a criminal. Because once you live in a era where crime are going on, you become automatically a target. Whether you're innocent, yes or no. So Chris lucky. Same the father victim of this. I swear. Now we are moving on, my people. Because we get to understand said police charge Dean Watson. Yeah, man. Remember, Dean Watson is the person of interest. The man who slapped away Melissa Carey Samant. You see me? Yeah, I remember him surrender himself April 29th. And don't forget that Melissa is a New York address, my people. So the police have charged Dean Watson with the murder of his wife, 35-year-old Melissa Carey Samant. Watson had surrendered to the St. Mary police on Friday on April 29. Samant who is of New York address in the United States, was taken to the Corner Regional Hospital in St. James by Watson, who reportedly left the medical facility shortly after assisting her from a motor vehicle. My viewers, Jano Star, police, I go on the thumbs up for this. I give the feds them thumbs up for this. Charge him, of course. Not only that, to my viewers, maybe when they and what they done with Melissa, maybe him feel like say she not gonna make it. You know, maybe the reason I'm bringing her to the hospital because him feel like say she gonna make it, my viewers and subscribers. But God allow it. You see me? For just expose that wicked boy named Dane Watson. So we want him to get the maximum time behind prison and thing. Wickedness can't done. Yes, my people. Wickedness can't done. Them man are too wicked. I swear. I swear, my people. Jojo. Jaja. Now, we are talk about a man, is him from St. Mary, who the police are suspected of suicidal. My peeps, I swear, this young man is here to scream right now, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what got on, my peeps, but the man decided to take him 3 pints. The man decided to take him 3 pints. You see me? When you know the circumstances surround it, it very sketchy. You know, when I want to assume nothing at all, it can be woman, it can be stress at work, it can be that him owe some people money, it can be many other things of viewers and subscribers. But youth, it's better you never take your life, brother. There's always a next way out rather than take your own life. There's always a better solution than take your own 3 pints. You see me? Because some man, for them own self, feel like say, if them take them on 3 pints, them will sleep well. But God no want to see your face, my brother. God no want to see your face. Because you are sure God say you're willing to take your own 3 pints because of what is going on with you. You know love God then, my youth. You know when you serve God, you could have turned to God and say, Father God help me. Even you ask her 10 or 15 times and God answer you same time. You could have eased yourself. Now, St. Mary police investigating suspected suicide. The St. Mary police are investigating the circumstances surrounding a suspected case of suicide in the Highgate community of St. Mary. On Wednesday, the deceased has been identified as 43-year-old contractor Oniera Roberts, otherwise called Anif, of Commerce District, Highgate. Comsey District, Highgate. Now, my people, you start to think to yourself and say, boy, this is a contractor. I remember, contractor make them money. You see me? Contractor people who make them money. So you want it to yourself, so what could have depend the brother your mind to make him get rid of himself? You see me? What could have depend his mind? What could have really caused the man for really take him 3 pints of viewers and subscribers? Wanna tell me now? Wanna tell me? More if I'm army subscribers at Motor, so. Because I just, I truly don't even know youths and youths. When I go through the stress, brother, do not decide to take on a life. Don't take on a life. Do not take on a life. Wrong move that, my family. Wrong move that. It don't make no sense, youth. If a woman stress her brother, look at that woman there. If you have the issue, take it to the police, take it to your pastor, take it to God first of all. You're not supposed to honor yourself, brother. That don't make no sense. You see me? We're going to move on now, my viewers and subscribers. Now, my peeps, for those who, probably most I want to know how them Jamaican coastal bus drive. Now, an accident took place where 41 person was injured in a serious accident in Maypen, Clarendon. You see me? On the toll road. Between a bus and an Axio motor car, my viewers and subs. And we all know, say, when it comes to the Axio and the coaster, and the baby speed them a clock, my people. Ain't no baby speed them a clock. I swear. Preliminary reports indicate that a coaster bus collided with the rear of a Toyota Axio before crashing into the concrete barrier along Glenmore Road in Maypen, Clarendon. The condition of the occupants remain unknown at this time, my viewers and subscribers. Youths and youths, only now learning, you know. Only now when I be a fast driving up on the road. Be a fast driving. Nobody now want to wait. Everybody want to go first. Everybody want to be the fastest driver. Everybody has something to prove. And even the worst thing about this again, my people. You see, more time them coaster bus, yeah, them good and them bad, you know. You have the one who drive decent, and you have the other one them where just over the place. Man that drive and they on two-wheel. Bus a do that, them a laugh and smile. School pick them lap up. Be a dagger in a go on, everybody enjoy themselves. But nobody now say, yo, driver, what you do? Turn on the music and do all these things. Everybody sit down there and take the slackness. But when this happens, nobody about, oh gosh. Nobody now blame the driver. Because what? And them are the one who indulge in certain things. And them are the one why certain things reach them. You see me? That's why I now feel sorry for some people in my viewers and subscribers. Because if me in a bus and the bus I run away, a taxi run away, me I talk to the driver and tell him something. Now we're going to talk about a hit and run which take place in a St. Mary, my people. Jano, just imagine my viewers sitting wicked up on the road and driver gone left you. And you drop out. Jano. The St. Mary police are investigating the death of a man who was unalive in a hit and run along the Haywood Hall main road on Tuesday night. The incident took place about 9:30 p.m. in the vicinity of Hampstead entrance in the parish. According to the police, preliminary investigators indicate that the deceased, who is believed to have been of unsound mind, was walking along the roadway when he was struck by a motor vehicle. You see me? The people, wanna hear that? This man was of unsound mind. So we already know what unsound mind means. Don't be a fool. Okay, my viewer, don't be a fool. But Jano, R.I.P. to that individual who lost them 3 points. R.I.P. It's sad. It's just sad for no say, yo, the man lose him 3 points just like that. Oh my gosh. My viewers, just remember to please like and share and subscribe to the channel. So when I drop new vids, I want to get them first. But go on with the faith. You see me? People, bless up. Gone.